Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're adding this collection showcase slider section to your store. And honestly, it's a fantastic way to display your different product collections side by side, with tall, full-height images and a short description under each one. It gives your homepage a really premium editorial feel, almost like a fashion lookbook, and makes it super easy for customers to jump straight into the category they're interested in. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into how to add it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This will take you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we need to search for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that's going to make building your store so much easier. Open it and install it. The installation process is really simple, just like any other Shopify app. After the installation, go to the Explore Sections tab of this app and search for Collections. You'll find two sections with this name here. Choose the one you want. Click on More Info and purchase it. I've already purchased this section, so I'll close this and click on My Sections on the left side. This is where you'll only see the sections you've already purchased. Let me scroll down here, and here's the section. Now click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. After a second, the section has been installed successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer, and once it loads, simply click on Add Section, just like we would for any other section, and search for Collections, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. Here on the left side, you can notice the slides that we can edit. Click on any slide and add whichever collection you want to add, just like I'm doing here. You can add your own collections the same way. You can also change the collection headings and descriptions here and add a link to, whether it's to a product, a page, or an external link. After customizing all the slides, hit the Save button. Now let's view it and see how it looks. Honestly, this section looks really premium and clean. It's exactly the kind of first impression that makes a store feel polished and well put together. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.